welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. I hope you're doing great. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. So in this video, the DIY gift giving ideas and decor ideas continue. I will be doing a miniature Christmas tree centerpiece. I have 3 cones here of varying sizes that I have made. Now you can check out the channel for the video that I show you how to make your cones to do these miniature Christmas trees. And I have painted these black. Now the black will be the base color. The color scheme here is black and silver, and so on top of this black I'm going to be adding 3 different finishes. The first one will have a silver finish, and I am going to use my stenciling brush just to pounce the silver paint on the surface. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside to dry a little. So for the second cone, I will be doing the pouncing, and then I am going to do another application on top. Now for the smallest one, I will be using pipe cleaner, silver pipe cleaner, just to go around to create that swirl effect. I am going to go back now and I'm going to fill in the empty spaces here with more pipe cleaner. So this one is done. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the star to the top and put it right at the very top. There we go. Now we'll just put this aside a little and you'll see what we do with it soon. Now this one, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to apply another layer. The next layer is sparkles. So I am going to use the glue gun and I'm just going to make lines. And then I'm going to sprinkle the sparkles onto the glue. I think this is pretty cool. Now, I am gonna finish off the bottom with a piece of silver pipe cleaner. I have 3 wooden discs here that I cut from a birch branch. And what I've done is stagger them on top of each other. And I drilled into the disc before I put the screw in to attach it here. And the same thing here. Now, without support at the back, it would tip, right? So I have used paint stirrer, these sticks that you get at the paint store, and I have cut a piece which I painted it and I drilled into it so that it would not crack. And then I put the screw in to attach it to the back here. So now when I put it down like this, it sits. Further to that, I have drilled holes in the disc. You can see the holes here and here and here. And yeah, I put some conditioning oil on the surface just to bring out the grain in the wood. Okay, so to get our Christmas trees on here, we will be using dowels. Now I have painted the dowels in a black paint just to coordinate with the black on the Christmas trees. And I'm just going to put some hot glue in the hole here and stick my dowel in. And I have actually staggered the length of each one of these dowels. So now the last step is to put some glue on top of the dowels here and put our Christmas trees on. There we go. And we are done. This is my miniature Christmas treescape, my friends. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Also, leave your comment below. Let me know what you think. If you know somebody who would really appreciate a DIY project such as this one, share it with them, please. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Also remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.